Fix in 5. P0503. Vehicle Speed Sensor, VSS, Malfunction or Intermittent Signal, powertra. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Speedometer reads 0 or fluctuates erratically, transmission shifting erratically or delayed, cruise control malfunction or disengagement, ABS warning light illuminated, traction control warning light. Now the most likely causes. Vehicle speed sensor, VSS, mechanical failure or wear. VSS wiring harness damage. Corrosion. Or loose connectors. VSS signal circuit short to ground or open circuit. How to fix it. Replace vehicle speed sensor, VSS, most common resolution. Repair or replace VSS wiring harness and connectors. Clean ECM/PCM connectors and apply dielectric grease. Inspect and clean transmission reluctor ring. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly 25 to 85 euros doing it yourself, or 105 to 165 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask. Can I fix P0503 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0503 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0503. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.